Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Nimsy and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nimsy. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button, turn notifications on, and once I get to 100 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away a one fidget package, and once I get to 500, we're gonna be giving away a skateboard. Now we're here in Learning Express, and now we're gonna go see if they have any fidget toys. Let's go see. So I'm here now, and I'm just seeing any fidget toys. Sorry. They have these. Pop tubes.
Focus on trying to make it stop, but you can still see the between.
Thank you.
And then
I'm gonna keep this bottle and say Sarai bought it for me. Oh, here in the bedroom. Here. On the floor or on? Just here.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Yeah. Can I see the fidget cubes, please? Oh. Can I, do you guys have any more of these ones?
Yeah.
Okay, then there's these.
You wanted the yellow one?
Yeah, the yellow one.
Oh, he's okay. Oh, yeah. What about it?
I'm like, bro, you're wearing like a jacket.
Thank you. There's an infinity cube.
And I remember that wearing shoes. I was like, oh.
So I'm like, so are you?
No, I didn't even say so.
I did say so.
This one.
Like, I have no idea what you're looking at. Oh.
There's these. Okay, now we're gonna keep seeing. Okay, guys, I was so excited until I was getting to this day, and I was showing you guys. Well, I was showing you guys about like where we're gonna come today, and we did come actually. And guys, we're gonna keep looking around. What is this? What the heck? That's weird, but my parents are still outside waiting so they can come in. I wanna see, do you have any more lead that we're just like not looking at? They have some slime. These are also cool. Like they're like stacking ones, and these are the things that I have right now. With these. This one's, and then like those.
That's what we're going to say. Is that we're closing at 4?
Marble meshes.
Close at 4. Should I do? Oh no, I already took it. I'm going to finish. Here's some stuff. You're like, I hate the drink. I like the
Oh, no, I like the way they feel.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Can I see that tangle right there? The one right there, the pink one with.
They should be right there on that side. On the other side? Is there none?
No, they only have the green ones.
You feeling mad and secure because you
Thank you. Oh, these are the fuzzy ones.
It's America.
Yeah, and then they have these fuzzy ones. What are these? I see if they have any right here. And foam racers, Frenchies. Ooh. That kinetic sand too, but I don't think I should get that. I wonder if I have any more needles, so I'm gonna go ask them if they have any needles. Do you guys have any more needles, like any kind?
Needles? No.
Yeah, no.
No, we have fruit.
Yeah, can I see it?
Here, it's like your last box of them.
Oh, thank you. Look, and there's these. There's these ones. They're so cool. Look. And then you press the button and it goes away. These are super cool because I think that you can get your thing stuck in the hand. Oh my god, this is fuzzy stuff. Okay, guys.
You want this? You want one of your fidgets?
And then there's these ones in there. There's these banana ones. But I already had it here. Wonder if you can, if it can be like one of those infinity cubes. I'm gonna tell them if they have any infinity cubes. I don't think they will have some. There's something in here. That's weird. If there's anything else that we can have and we can take to our house, let's see. And then they also have like these hey guys, so these are stuff that we have on right now. And I've always been looking for infinity cubes, but I finally found them today. No, I'm just waiting. I'm also just looking around too.
Okay. Oh my god. You want your squishy things, sisters?
These pop tubes.
What about this one? Look at it. It's a puzzle ball. fidget cube. ¿Recibo la bolsa o...?
It's just a marble case.
What the heck is this?
What is this?
And what about this? No, you don't want to see that.
You guys don't have any more snakes?
Yeah, we do.
You guys don't have any more snakes?
No, we sold out. But we're probably gonna get them next weekend.
Next weekend?
Oh, I don't know. Don't take my word for it.
Okay.
Yeah, just call.
Yeah, I'll just call you guys next week.
We're trying to restock everything
Mm-hmm.
for the weekend, so we.
Do you guys know when? Do you guys have any more dimples? Any
No.
more simple dimples at
No,
all?
from what I know, those are back ordered to like end of March,
The
starting
end of
April.
March?
Yeah, they're trying to get them manufactured again.
Mm.
Lena, what is
I guess I'll come back in the end of March.
Just call them, we'll let you know.
Yeah.
Because I don't even think we know. Hey, do you know? With the what's it called, the snake tubes?
Oh my god, my family came up. Mom. Okay, look. Look. And then tienen, and then they have like these ones. Okay, yeah, guys. So, yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for my video. And then I'm just gonna pay them. And then I'll show you guys once we get back home.